Number 10. The Rictor X4 is an ambitious next-generation personal EVTOL aircraft that reimagines urban mobility by combining futuristic design with practical performance, offering a glimpse into how daily transportation could evolve in the coming years. Built with a sleek, enclosed cabin that resembles a compact car more than a traditional aircraft, the X4 is designed to deliver both comfort and safety, featuring a fully enclosed cockpit, intuitive controls, and advanced stabilization systems that make it approachable even for less experienced pilots. Its electric propulsion system powers multiple rotors, enabling smooth vertical takeoff and landing while maintaining low noise levels and zero direct emissions, making it ideal for operation in crowded urban environments. The aircraft emphasizes efficiency and reliability, with a robust battery system engineered to provide a practical flight range suitable for short to medium commutes, while intelligent flight control software assists with navigation, hovering, and landing precision. Safety remains a core focus, with redundant motor systems and built-in fail-safes designed to ensure stability even in the event of component failure. The X4 also integrates modern connectivity features, allowing for real-time monitoring of flight data and system diagnostics, further enhancing pilot confidence and operational awareness. With its blend of automotive-inspired comfort, drone-like maneuverability, and forward-thinking engineering, the Rictor X4 stands out as a compelling step toward making personal aerial transportation more accessible, efficient, and seamlessly integrated into everyday life. Number 9. The Jetson 1 is a compact and highly innovative personal EVTOL aircraft that brings the dream of individual flight closer to everyday reality through its lightweight, open-frame design and intuitive control system. Built with an aluminum space frame and powered by 8 electric motors, it delivers impressive stability and responsiveness, allowing for smooth vertical takeoff and landing as well as agile maneuverability in the air. The aircraft is designed around simplicity and accessibility, featuring a user-friendly joystick interface and advanced flight control software that assists with hovering, navigation, and automatic stabilization, making it approachable even for first-time flyers. Its electric propulsion system ensures quiet operation and zero direct emissions, while the high-performance battery provides sufficient range for short recreational flights and quick commutes. Safety is a central focus, with redundant motor configurations, rapid response flight computers, and a ballistic parachute system that adds an extra layer of protection in emergency situations. The open cockpit offers a thrilling, immersive flying experience with unobstructed views, while the compact size allows for easy storage and transport. Combining drone-inspired engineering with human-centered design, the Jetson 1 stands out as a bold step forward in personal aerial mobility, offering a unique blend of excitement, innovation, and practical functionality. Number 8. The LEO Flight Jetbike is a bold and futuristic take on personal aerial transportation, blending the thrill of a motorcycle with the advanced capabilities of an EVTOL aircraft to create a truly unique flying experience. Designed with a compact, hoverbike-style frame, it utilizes powerful duct fans instead of exposed rotors, enhancing both safety and aerodynamic efficiency while delivering stable vertical takeoff and landing performance. The jetbike is engineered for intuitive control, allowing the rider to pilot it with a combination of handlebar inputs and sophisticated flight assistance systems that help maintain balance, altitude, and directional stability, making it far more approachable than traditional aircraft. Its electric propulsion system ensures quieter operation and reduced environmental impact, while the overall design prioritizes agility and responsiveness, enabling smooth navigation through urban environments or open landscapes. Safety remains a key focus, with built-in redundancy, protective fan enclosures, and intelligent control software working together to minimize risk during flight. The seating position and layout closely resemble a conventional bike, offering a familiar riding posture that enhances comfort and confidence while adding to the immersive nature of the experience. By merging cutting-edge aviation technology with motorcycle-inspired design, the LEO Flight Jetbike represents a daring step toward a future where personal flight is not only possible but practical, efficient, and exhilarating. Number 7. The Rise Recon is a lightweight and highly accessible personal EVTOL aircraft designed to make individual flight both practical and approachable, combining ultralight engineering with advanced drone-inspired technology. Built with an open-frame structure and powered by multiple electric rotors, it delivers stable vertical takeoff and landing along with smooth, controlled flight characteristics, making it suitable for recreational use as well as short-distance aerial mobility. The aircraft emphasizes simplicity and ease of use, featuring intuitive controls supported by intelligent flight software that assists with stabilization, altitude control, and responsive maneuvering, allowing even newcomers to experience flight with confidence. Its electric propulsion system ensures quiet operation and zero direct emissions, while the compact design enhances portability and ease of storage. Safety is a core element of the Recon's design, incorporating redundant motor systems and real-time monitoring to maintain stability and reliability during operation. The open cockpit provides a highly immersive flying experience, offering unobstructed views and a strong sense of connection to the surrounding environment. By blending efficiency, innovation, and user-friendly design, the Rise Recon stands out as a forward-thinking solution in the evolving world of personal aerial transportation, bringing the concept of everyday flight closer to reality. Number 6. The Pivotal Blackfly is a groundbreaking personal EVTOL aircraft that redefines the concept of ultralight aviation through its distinctive design, advanced electric propulsion, and remarkable ease of use. Featuring a sleek, enclosed cockpit integrated into a carbon fiber airframe, the Blackfly utilizes a unique tandem wing configuration with tilting propellers that enable seamless vertical takeoff and landing while transitioning smoothly into efficient forward flight. This innovative approach not only enhances aerodynamic performance but also extends range and energy efficiency compared to many traditional multicopter designs. The aircraft is engineered with simplicity in mind, offering intuitive controls supported by sophisticated flight software that manages stability, navigation, and flight transitions, making it accessible to a wider range of users without requiring extensive piloting experience. Its fully electric system ensures quiet operation and zero direct emissions, aligning with the growing demand for sustainable transportation solutions. Safety is deeply integrated into the design, with redundant systems, multiple propellers, and advanced fault-tolerant architecture that help maintain control even in unexpected situations. The enclosed cabin adds comfort and protection from the elements, while the compact footprint allows for convenient storage and deployment. By combining cutting-edge aerodynamics with user-focused engineering, the Pivotal Blackfly stands out as a pioneering step toward making personal aerial mobility efficient, practical, and widely attainable. Number 5. The Zapata Air Scooter is an innovative and minimalist personal EVTOL aircraft that embodies simplicity, agility, and futuristic mobility, offering a unique approach to individual flight through its compact, open-platform design. Developed with a focus on accessibility and ease of operation, the Air Scooter features a single-seat configuration surrounded by a protective frame, utilizing multiple electric propulsion units to achieve stable vertical takeoff and landing while maintaining smooth and responsive control in the air. Its intuitive control system is designed to make flying feel natural, supported by advanced stabilization technology that assists with balance, hovering, and directional movement, allowing users to focus more on the experience rather than complex piloting mechanics. The electric powertrain ensures low noise output and zero direct emissions, making it well suited for use in both urban and recreational environments. Safety is a key element of its design, with built-in redundancies and protective structures that enhance stability and rider security during flight. The open layout provides an immersive, almost drone-like flying sensation, offering unobstructed views and a strong sense of freedom while remaining compact enough for easy handling and storage. With its blend of lightweight engineering, user-friendly controls, and forward-thinking design philosophy, the Zapata Air Scooter represents a bold step toward making personal aerial transportation more approachable, efficient, and integrated into everyday life. Number 4. The CopterPack Gen 3 is a striking and unconventional personal EVTOL concept that pushes the boundaries of individual flight by adopting a backpack-style configuration, allowing the user to become fully integrated with the aircraft itself. Designed as a compact, wearable flying system, it features a powerful rotor assembly mounted behind the pilot, delivering vertical lift and controlled maneuverability while maintaining a relatively lightweight and portable form. Unlike traditional enclosed or seated EVTOL designs, the CopterPack emphasizes direct pilot engagement, creating an experience that feels closer to powered flight than operating a vehicle, with body positioning and intuitive controls working in harmony with advanced stabilization systems to maintain balance and directional control. Its propulsion system is engineered for efficient lift and responsive handling, enabling smooth takeoff, hovering, and forward movement, while safety is reinforced through structural support elements and carefully balanced thrust distribution. The minimalist design reduces complexity and enhances mobility, making it easier to transport and deploy compared to larger personal aircraft. With its bold approach to wearable aviation and its focus on merging human movement with flight technology, the CopterPack Gen 3 represents a futuristic vision of personal aerial mobility that is both highly immersive and technologically intriguing. Number 3. The Ultralight Airbike is a futuristic personal EVTOL concept that merges the aesthetics and riding posture of a high-performance motorcycle with advanced aerial propulsion technology, creating a visually striking and highly immersive flying experience. Designed with a streamlined bike-like frame, The Airbike allows the rider to sit in a forward-leaning position similar to a sport motorcycle, enhancing both comfort and control while contributing to its aerodynamic profile. Its propulsion system is engineered to deliver vertical takeoff and landing capabilities alongside smooth forward flight, using advanced thrust mechanisms that prioritize stability, responsiveness, and efficiency. The aircraft incorporates intelligent flight assistance systems that help maintain balance, altitude, and directional control, making it more approachable despite its unconventional design. Emphasizing agility and freedom of movement, the Airbike is built to navigate both open environments and potential urban airspaces with precision and ease. Its compact form factor not only enhances maneuverability but also simplifies storage and transport, while the overall design reflects a strong focus on innovation and next-generation mobility. With its blend of cutting-edge engineering, motorcycle-inspired ergonomics, and bold futuristic styling, the Ultralight Airbike represents an exciting step toward redefining how individuals experience personal flight. Number 2. The Lift Aircraft Hexa is a highly distinctive personal EVTOL aircraft that stands out for its unique multi-copter design and exceptional ease of operation, making individual flight more accessible than ever before. Built around a lightweight frame with an open seat suspended beneath a circular array of 18 electric rotors, the Hexa delivers remarkable stability and smooth vertical takeoff and landing, benefiting from the redundancy and balance provided by its multi-rotor configuration. The aircraft is designed with simplicity at its core, featuring intuitive joystick controls and advanced flight control software that manages complex tasks such as stabilization, altitude hold, and precise maneuvering, allowing users with minimal training to confidently take to the skies. Its fully electric propulsion system ensures quiet, emission-free operation, while the design prioritizes safety through multiple independent motors, fail-safe systems, and even the ability to remain stable in the event of rotor failure. The open cockpit provides an immersive flying experience with unobstructed views, enhancing the sense of freedom and connection to the environment. Compact, efficient, and remarkably user-friendly, the Hexa represents a significant step forward in personal aerial mobility, blending cutting-edge engineering with a focus on safety, simplicity, and real-world usability. Number 1. The Clisarov Acro is an ultralight personal EVTOL aircraft designed for agility, precision, and an exhilarating flying experience, combining minimalist engineering with advanced flight technology. Featuring a compact open-frame design and multiple electric rotors, the Acro delivers stable vertical takeoff and landing while enabling highly responsive maneuverability, allowing pilots to navigate tight spaces or perform dynamic aerial movements with confidence. Its intuitive control interface is enhanced by intelligent flight assist systems that manage balance, altitude, and directional stability, making it accessible to both experienced flyers and newcomers seeking adventure in personal flight. The aircraft's fully electric propulsion system ensures quiet operation and zero direct emissions, emphasizing sustainability alongside performance. Safety is a central focus, with redundant motors, protective rotor structures, and sophisticated stabilization software that maintain control under varying conditions. The open cockpit provides an immersive connection to the environment, giving pilots unobstructed views and a heightened sense of freedom in the air. By merging lightweight design, responsive controls, and cutting-edge electric flight technology, the Clisarov Acro stands as a compelling example of next-generation personal EVTOLs that prioritize both excitement and practical usability.